5 craft, I'm going to show you how to make it. You will need brown paper, black paper, yellow paper, white paper, and orange paper, pastels, crayons or paint, a brush, a Koki, a pencil, a marker, glue, a pair of scissors, a small plate, and some paper plates. I have 5 paper plates. On each of these 5 plates, I will make a face of an animal from the big 5. I've colored the plates like this. A yellow plate for a leopard, a brown plate for a lion, but I only colored the edges. A blue plate for an elephant, a brown plate for a buffalo, and a gray plate for a rhino. Let's start by making the face of an elephant. We will start by cutting on the lines that I drew to make the ears for the elephant. This is how I'm going to cut it. Then I will flip the head and cut out the other ear. This is what the elephant's ears look like. I will grab the other piece to make the trunk, and it will look like this. Now, I will take the black and white pieces of paper and I will use them to make the eyes and the tusk of the elephant. I will stick the eyes on the head like this. I will stick the tusk on the head like this. This is how the complete face will look. On the gray plate, we will make a rhino. Take a small plate and place half of it on the paper plate and trace out the shape. Now, cut on the line like this. It looks like it's already taking shape. Take the scissors and trim the other side just like this. Trim the top part of the face as well, so it's a little rounder. With the piece that came from the plate, I will cut out the rhino's ears. I will also use the black and white papers to make the rest of the face. Take the ears and stick them on top of the head and add white paper in the same shape. Cut small black oval shapes for the eyes. Cut 2 curved triangles, one big and one small for the horns. And cut 2 bigger ovals for the nostrils. That's our complete rhino. Now, let's make the lion's head. I will cut strips along the edges of the paper plate to make the lion's mane. After cutting the strips, I will bend every other strip like this to make the lion's mane look fluffy. Now it looks more like a mane. I will take the orange piece of paper, place a plate on it, trace the circle shape and cut it out. Take the orange circle and glue it on the lion's head. Glue the nose made with brown paper. With the black and white papers, I will make the eyes as well as the whiskers. This is how the lion looks with its face almost complete. Now, let's draw the mouth of the lion. The lion is complete. Next, let's do the leopard's face using a yellow plate and these papers. Let's make the face. I'm going to start with its ears, then do the rest of the face. Glue the yellow and black circles at the top like this. Glue the triangle in the middle for the nose. Glue 2 small ovals for the eyes. Then glue many black spots around the face. The leopard is almost complete with its spots and the eyes and ears. I will take a marker and place dots in the eyes. Then I will draw 2 lines to complete the nose. Two curved lines to make the mouth. And some lines to make whiskers. And that's the leopard. Next, we will make a buffalo using white, cream, and brown paper. I have cut out all the shapes that I will need to make the face. Let's glue them together. I will glue some fur at the top of the head and add the horns. Then I will glue the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Then glue the little beard and its flappy ears that fall on the sides. To complete the face, I will draw small circles in the eyes and color them black. So this is our big 5 when it's done. Here we have a rhino, a leopard, a buffalo, a lion, and an elephant.